Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And for today, we're going to talk about camera bags. Actually, if you know me, mahilig talaga ako sa bag. And as a content creator, mas lalo akong nahilig sa bag because yun yung mga nagdadala ng mga camera and gears natin. And as a content creator, camera bags are very essential. And it is really important to have a camera bag. Pero mas importante yung right camera bag for every situation. So for today's video, I will be sharing with you my 3 go-to camera sling bag. So yes, I will be sharing 3 camera bags for different situation. Actually, nagdedepende yung dadalin mong camera kung ano yung gagawin mo for that particular day. And of course, each bag serve a specific purpose, especially for different shooting scenarios. So for the first bag, this is for my lightweight and compact setup. So this is the Wonder Rogue Sling in Yumatan colors. This is a 3-liter camera sling bag. And as you can see, medyo cute siya. Perfect na perfect for compact cameras and light setup. So since this is a 3-liter camera sling bag, meron pa rin siyang external carry. So you can add a tripod here, and you can also put an empty water tumbler here as well. So very useful itong strap na to sa ilalim. Next feature that I like, ang dami niyang handle. So apart from the sling or apart from this one, meron siyang additional 3. So first is this one, next is here, and last is here. So ang dami niyang hawakan, madali siyang kunin, maliit na siya, and ang dami pa niyang handle. So, yun yung isa pang nagustuhan ko about this bag. Since maliit siya, you can have 3 ways to carry it. One is the normal sling. One is like parang shoulder bag. And next is pwede mo siyang gawing parang belt bag. So, yeah, perfect na perfect for easy or quick photo walks. You can get it on Wondered website, so links will be provided down below. So for my next bag, this one naman is, it's a mid-size bag, and I use this for its versatility. So this is the Bellroy Venture Sling, and this is the Night Sky color, and it's in 10 liters. So medyo malaki-laki siya. Pag mas marami na yung dadalhin ko, hindi na ako magsisling. Kung hindi na siya magkakasya dito, magba-backpack na ako. Pero that's a different YouTube video na lang. Pero this one, ito yung ginagamit ko if medyo madami-dami yung dadalhin ko for that day. It's an all-purpose sling bag. So yun nga, very versatile siya kasi ito, mas marami akong madadala. Different configuration ng cameras and lenses yung kayang dala nito. Pag hindi ko alam yung kailangan kong gamitin for that particular day, ito yung dinadala ko. Water resistant yung fabric nito. Hindi waterproof ha, water resistant. So, kahit maulanan ng onte or maambonan, sure ka na safe yung gears mo inside. Also, what I like about it is yung mga padded dividers niya. So, as you can see, hindi siya yung Velcro type na detachable. Ang cons kasi nun, minsan nawawala. And minsan hassle yung Velcro dividers. In this case, naka-attach siya dito. Ang good thing about it is that adjustable siya. So, tulak mo lang, And yon, depende sa need mo or depende sa gears na dadalin mo, it can accommodate kahit na nakadikit siya or naka-attach siya. And also, meron siyang pocket in front na marami kang malalagay. Meron siyang compartments for batteries and SD cards. So, perfect na perfect siya for us content creators. This bag is available at Urban Traveler Company or Urban Traveler Co. So again, I'll be providing links down below for you to check it out. So for my second go-to sling bag, so it's versatile and very comfortable and perfect when I need more gear but I still want to keep things manageable. So for my third camera sling bag, this is from Grams 28, which is the 172 camera sling bag. So for this one, this is 8.4 liters. So meron akong pangdiinang camera bag. Ang purpose niya is really for events, no? So if you have formal events, weddings need to attend, but you still want to bring your camera, so at least you have a camera bag na ganito, na pwedeng makipagsabayan, na pangdiinan. Also, ito rin yung dinadala ko for travel. Hindi siya mukhang camera bag and hindi siya takaw-nakaw when you're traveling. So, what I like about this bag, it's of course yung formal look niya, since this one is using an Italian leather. So, real Italian leather. So as per Grams 28, they are using pebbled bovine leather. So I'm not sure if I pronounce it correctly. Very high quality, and if you look at the price, and you know why yun yung price niya, because of its genuine leather. So yun yung nagustuhan ko on this bag. You can get this from Grams 28 website. It has minimal design and very sleek, which blends seamlessly into professional environments. And yun nga, yung pinaka best feature niya is formal looking bag. It's still stylish and very sleek and very formal, but hindi nawawala yung pagka-compact niya na hindi ka naman mahahassle dahil leather siya. So perfect na perfect talaga siya for travel. There, I've showed you my 3 go-to sling bags. So different scenarios will require different bags, no? It's really a game changer in terms of my workflow. So I know which bag na yung dadalhin ko for every situation. So what about you? What are your go-to camera bags? So let me know in the comments down below. So I hope you found this video very helpful and also guide you in which camera to bring depending on your need. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and smash that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So hanggang dito na lang muna uli guys. Talk to you soon.